In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create patterns for any size pop-up travel pouch using my Excel pattern calculator. This calculator, along with the sewing instructions and 3 pre-designed patterns, is available in my Etsy shop, KomonoStudioMKE. You can find the link in the description below. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide the size of your pouch when it's fully expanded, not when it's laid flat. You'll need the finished width, height, and length. Step 2. Open the Excel calculator and enter your dimensions into the light yellow cells. If you're working in metric units like I am here, choose the centimetre worksheet. If you prefer imperial units, go to the inches worksheet instead. Step 3. Measure the width of the zipper you're using. If it's different from the default 3.2 centimetres, just update that value in the calculator. Step 4. The light green cells are automatically calculated and will show you your fabric cutting sizes. You'll also see the side fold measurement, which is used while constructing the pouch. Please refer to page 13 of the sewing instructions for that step. Step 5. Draw the pattern on paper or mark it directly on your fabric, and you're ready to start making your custom pouch. I hope this video helped you visualize how to use the Excel calculator, and if you don't have Microsoft Excel, no worries at all. The full formulas are included in the instructions, so you can calculate everything manually. The Excel file just makes it faster and easier without having to grab a calculator. Thank you so much for watching and happy sewing.